This is the underbarrel shotgun in real life.
And this is made for door breaching. I have some specific door breaching rounds. These are a solid projectile made out of compressed tin and copper powder. As you can see, there put a pretty good dent in it. Did not completely blow it out, but we did blow out the frame, so you could probably still get this door open. All right, medium grade lock. Pretty good job. Blew that thing to smithereens. Look, it's hollow. But we also blew out the frame, so I think you would be able to get in after that.